Welcome to the 4321 Wood Shop. My name is Chris, and today we're going to show you some of the more advanced features of this miter station I built here now that it's all been finished. I have been using it for a couple weeks, and man, am I glad I built this and love it, and love some of the features I've added to it that I've already used. It is 12 feet long in just the left direction, plus we have some on the right side that we could cut or put a piece of wood. So really I could fit up to a 16-foot board, no problem, if not longer on this. So we've got our slide, stop block, T-track, fenceless. Features we'll go over in a little bit. So, and the center of it is our Hercules miter saw, and I'll have a review on that at some point in time in the future. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell so you won't want to miss out on that, on what I have to say about that saw. My drill bit will not go through, so my hand being there is okay. Not ideal, I don't prefer it. I prefer to be out of the way and safer, but okay, so at this point, most of the work will happen on that side, but we do have these couple features. We have our shelf. I need to trim that out yet and add a handle, I think. And we have our stop.
It is at this point in time I realized I didn't have much video on that shelf. So here's some pictures of it in progress, but basically it flips up with a couple of shelf brackets and goes out of the way because there's a door there. This gives me another 3 feet on the right hand side of the miter station to support work pieces that I'm cutting.
Two of the things I do want to show about this that I did add in is, first off, that wing, which is perfectly level with it. It is nice if you have a longer board and need a longer piece, or your cutoff's going to be longer, that it is supported. Why I went folding, and I've seen a lot of fold-up miter stations, but I have a door right there, so this made the most sense. I used just shelves. I'll link to those off of Amazon. Melamine, it's got T-track, it's got the walnut trim because I had some around. Another feature I did add is that guy there. I don't know if you can see that well, so let's move you over so I can show you. So again, on a simple shelf bracket mounted here with some walnut is just an extension. Basically, this saw can cut all the way out to here. This allows me, as you can see, that's to here on here, but I added a few more inches, and I added 3 of them. So there's one there, another one here, and if I have a real long board, there. It allows me to put a wide board on there. Oh, that's a little long for what I want to do, but here, we'll grab this tabletop I have wobbly here. And now it's secured, and I don't have to worry about it because I could cut out to here, set my stop block, flip this over, and finish that cut, and still be able to cut things up to, around 25 inches, I would say. Now, part of that is my miter saw is off my wall. This was an existing bench. I don't want to build my bench all the way out here. Now, for most things, there's a good 6.5 inches right there. So, you can go 2x8, no problem. 2x10, probably still okay. So that's what those are for. When they're not in use, simply fold them down out of the way, fold this out of the way, trims it down, and we just have the handle sticking out here. Plenty of walkway, but I could go with a cruiser or those gliders. and get it pushed back further and use more of the bench. I went with a little bit more inexpensive, but a little bit bigger miter saw, you know, 250 bucks, probably less, if not more. But it works for me because I do like the saw, I like this setup, and I do like that I can keep stuff on the back side of this bench as I'm working. You know, a lot of times in my setup or what I'm doing, because I am in a small shop, it's nice to put drills back there. It's nice to put my impact box back there, keep them off my assembly table. If I'm done with the router, set it back over here. All my tools are up here above me, so when I'm done, I can put them away. But I can still use the miter saw even with that stuff there. So just wanted to show you that and those little features. So thanks for watching. Go ahead, if you like this channel, please hit that subscribe button, that like button. Tell some friends about it. I do appreciate it. And if you have any questions on the whole setup, please let me know. Or anything I could do different, feel free to let me know. I'm not opposed to it. I'm still learning. We're all still learning. And there is lots of things I don't know that we could do differently. So just leave me a comment, and I appreciate it. Thanks.